Do you feel stressed, overwhelmed, tired, and low of energy? This is common, and many people suffer from this right now. I feel like that, tired and overwhelmed and low of energy very often. I want to share with you my 3-minute technique that can help raise oxygen level in your blood, give a lot of oxygen to your brain, and rejuvenate you instantly after 3 minutes. So this technique called oxy breath. Oxy, oxygen, breath is breath. So how to do this technique, oxy breath? Okay, you can just follow me. You just can close your eyes, bring your attention to the middle part of your body, and start breathing loudly, like that, using your hands, your voice, and your breath. This is just 3 breaths only. I feel instant improvement in my mental and emotional state. For the best results, you can continue breathing like that for 3 minutes. And I guarantee you will be a new person after these 3 minutes. So let's just go for it. Continue like that for 3 minutes. Time yourself and see the result. Exaggerate, make the sound, make the noise, use your voice, use your arms and hands, use your breath to bring energy into your body, raise your oxygen level in the blood and in the brain, and rejuvenate yourself. It works.